This is a male squirrel's private bone. It's from right here. It's really called a baculum, which makes me wonder, which animal has the largest baculum? Well, here's one from a monkey, and another from a beaver, and a weasel. Foxes are a little larger, but not as big as a dog's, otters, coyotes, or a badger's. A raccoon's is slightly bigger because of the curve, and a bear's can get pretty huge. But the largest baculum has to be this one. Any guess what animal it's from? Well, it's not from an elephant, or a rhinoceros, or a whale. Instead,